Fix can't play videos on Google Photos. So if you are facing the problem of can't play videos on Google Photos, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have a good strong internet connection. So simply swipe from the very top right hand side and see if you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to play the video. So you just need to close the Google Photos app once and you just need to try to reopen the app and try to play the same video again, because that may also help you to play the video on a device. The third thing is that you just need to long press on the volume down and power button at the same time, and you just need to restart the device. So simply power off the phone and wait for 10 to 15 seconds to turn it on again. So this also helps you to fix the box or errors which you are getting on the device. The last step is that you just need to open App Store on a device, and there you just need to search Google Photos and see if there is any update available for that. So if there is any update available, click on the option of update, because that may also be the reason that your video may not be playing on the Google Photos. So make sure that it is up to date and try to play the same video again on a device, and this time the video may be played. So that's it. That's how you can fix can't play videos on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.